Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and your game couldn't start with this error, then you've come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So this error occurs whenever your antivirus is conflicting with the Hogwarts Legacy game. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, you're going to go into Virus and Threat Protection, you're going to go into Protection History here. And here you should have the Hogwarts Legacy games files. If you have them, just click on those files and remove them from the quarantine. But if you don't have those files, then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto your games launcher. So if you have it on Steam, you're going to open Steam up. If you have it on Epic Games Launcher, you're going to open Epic Games Launcher up. And first I'll show you how to do it on Epic Games Launcher. So what you're going to do is you're going to click onto these three dots on Hogwarts Legacy. I'm going to use any other application as an example. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into Manage. And here you're going to click onto verify files. That's how you do it on Epic Games. But if you're on Steam, you're going to right click on Hogwarts Legacy on Steam. You're going to go into properties. You're going to go into install files. You're going to click verify integrity of games files. And once the verification is done, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the Windows security window. And then you're going to go into virus and threat protection settings. You're going to go into manage settings here. You're going to scroll down on here. Click add or remove exclusions. Click yes on here. Click add an exclusion and then click folder. Now go to your Hogwarts Legacy directory. So wherever you have the game, just go to it and then just click select folder and add it to the exclusions. And now whenever you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, your antivirus will not conflict with the game and you'll be able to play the game correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.